everyone and welcome back. Are you excited to watch an experiment? If yes, then let's get started. So for this, I have a fork and a spoon. Let me just interconnect this and balance this using a matchstick. And place this balance on the glass tumbler. If you can just see, neither is the fork nor is the spoon actually touching the tumbler. The bridge is given by the matchstick. Now what happens if I cut this matchstick? Or what happens if I light this matchstick? Obviously, it will turn into ashes. And do you think the system of spoon and the fork will fall off? Let's see what happens. If you can just see, the matchstick has caught fire and is turning into ashes. Is it really going to fall down? Wow! Did you just watch that? None of it fell down. What was the science behind this? Was it a magic? No, it was obviously science. But how did this happen? EduLamp has answers for this.